2026 review, Honda Goldwing. Best touring comfort. Perfect.
(2026) Honda Goldwing full review. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GL18 Up continues its long-standing reign as the absolute benchmark for luxury long-distance touring. Combining bulletproof Japanese reliability with sofa-like comfort and high-tech rider aids, the 2026 model refines what is already considered a rolling masterpiece.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Whether you choose the sleek Baga-style standard Goldwing or the cross-country ready Goldwing Tour, here's the comprehensive breakdown of performance, technology, comfort, and real-world ride dynamics. 1. Engine and powertrain. The smooth giant. At the heart of the Goldwing is its legendary 1,833cc liquid-cooled flat-six engine.
Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
The horizontally opposed cylinder layout keeps the bike's center of gravity incredibly low, giving it handling characteristics that defy its massive footprint. Power output. Approximately 125 horsepower at 5,500 RPM torque, 125 pounds FT 170, Nm at 4,500 RPM. The character. Power delivery is linear, predictable, and silky smooth. There is zero harshness or intrusive vibration. The engine chugs effortlessly at low RPMs, providing massive, immediate roll-on power for highway overtaking without needing to scream. Transmission choices. 6-speed manual, features a crisp shift and an electric reverse mechanism. 7-speed automatic DCT dual-clutch transmission. The definitive choice for this bike. It features seamless, ultra-smooth gear shifts and includes an overdrive 7th gear for relaxed highway cruising. The DCT also unlocks walking mode, allowing you to creep forward or backward at a slow pace using dedicated buttons, a lifesaver when maneuvering out of tight, inclined parking spaces.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
2. Ride dynamics and suspension. Despite weighing roughly 806 to 850 lbs, 365 to 385 kilograms, depending on the trim and luggage, the Goldwing is notoriously easy to handle once it's moving even to 2-3 miles per hour. 2. Front suspension. Unlike traditional forks, Honda's double wishbone setup isolates steering from suspension movement. It keeps the front end incredibly planted, mitigates brake dive, and glides over road imperfections like a luxury liner.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world that keeps
3.
inside your mind.
Premium technology and cockpit. As Honda's flagship, the 2026 cockpit blends premium traditional design with modern digital tech. Infotainment. A bright 7-inch TFT display sits squarely between classic analog gauges. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, backed by a powerful 55-watt speaker system. Rider aids. Utilizing a 6-axis IMUN throttle by wire. The bike features 4 riding modes: Tours, Sport, Econ, Rain, which automatically adjusts throttle response, traction control, and link tabs braking. Touring comforts: electronic cruise control, tire pressure monitoring, TPM, and Hill Start Assist HS, which temporarily locks the brakes on an incline to prevent rolling backward before throttle application, all come as standard.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
4. Touring ergonomics and practicality. Long-distance comfort is where the Goldwing shines brightest. Ergonomics. The low 29.3-inch seat height allows riders to easily plant both feet on the tarmac. The rider and passenger seats are covered in a premium, custom-feel swadig stud material that provides excellent grip and long-haul posture support.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying.
2026 new aesthetic finishes. The most visible change for 2026 is the updated color palette. Honda has moved toward more stealthy and premium tones, candy ardent red. A deep, rich red for the Tour model. Gunmetal black metallic features blacked out engine components for a more aggressive look. Pearl deep mud gray. A modern, flat finish gray matte bullet silver, exclusive to the standard bagger style Goldwing. Performance and mechanics. The core of the bike remains unchanged, which is good news for those who value the legendary reliability of the flat six engine. The 1833 TEG cc liquid-cooled 24 valve horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine continues to produce roughly 125 HP and 125 pounds-ft of torque. Transmission: the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. DCT is now the standard for the vast majority of units, though a 6-speed manual remains available in select markets.
The DCT includes a walking mode forward and reverse, which is essential for maneuvering a bike that weighs over 800 pounds. Emissions: the engine is fully Euro 5 Plus compliant, ensuring its longevity in the global market through 2027.
Technology and comfort: Honda has focused on the business class experience. Infotainment: a 7-inch TFT display remains the centerpiece, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration.
Standard luxuries: electric windshield, smart key system, hill start assist, 8 and 4 riding. Modes: Tour, Sport, Econ, Rain. What's missing? The 2027 outlook. While the 2026 model is a masterpiece of some cutting-edge features seen on competitors like the BMW R130RT or Ducati Moto have not yet appeared.
New color schemes for 2026. The most visible change for this year is the updated color palette across the different trims. Goldwing Tour now available in 3 new colors. Candy Ardent, red a classic Honda favorite. Gunmetal Black Metallic featuring black Tau engine components. Pearl Deep Mud Gray. Standard Goldwing bagger. Available in a new matte bullet silver with matte Pulo Morion detailing. Core specifications and features. The legendary 1833cc flat-six engine continues to deliver its signature smooth performance,